So today we're going to put together the Skyflame smoker kit. Now what we have here is basically a device that will make our Weber an indirect heat smoker. Now, will it be a true smoker? I don't think so, but I really don't know for sure. But the one thing it will do is it will remove the direct heat, so you'll get a smoker effect. And the Webers are known for great temperature control, so we should be able to get that kind of control out of this unit by adding this device. So let's go ahead and open this up and put it together. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the directions really quick with you because we'll be fast forwarding the assembly process. So basically there is a parts list here. You have all the parts and an image of it. And then you have a full installation guide which shows how to set up everything and put it all together. Basically all we're doing is we're just putting in a bunch of screws to get it all set up. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and start putting it together. So I pretty much got that all assembled in a matter of minutes, and then I had a little interruption, so I'm back as soon as possible. But basically we have this deflector plate with the 6 screws that go in there. Then we have the 3 brackets, and each one has 4 bolts, so that way it holds them in the correct angle. So I'm going to go ahead and open the lid here, and we'll just set that in there. I already removed the grate, but we'll put this together and I'll show you how it's going to sit in there. So these go right in there on those little tabs right there. And then these right here are the lifters for your grill grate. And now if I got this right, they slide in right here. So hopefully you'll be able to see this right there. It just lines up with your grate. And then if you don't use this, you should be able to slide the grate right underneath there and sit it on top of these if you're not using the smoker attachment kit. Just like that. So check that, it just kind of wraps around it and then rests right on top. So there's the grate, and it sits right on there just like that. And you might have to seat these in a little bit better. I don't think they're quite level. Oh, that one moved a little bit. That was pretty close to it. So you got to make sure that you get these seated in level and everything. So that is all the assembly right there. And I'm going to go ahead and do a quick burn in before I do my cook on this. The next thing we're going to probably do is we're probably going to do some chicken thighs in maybe a slow smoke kind of configuration. So look forward to that video coming up really soon.